Good day and welcome to Shesha. This is an introductory tutorial into Shesha that will expose you to all the key Shesha concepts you will need to allow you to start building your own Shesha-based applications. For this tutorial, we'll take you through the process of building a membership management application, which is typically used by clubs to track its members, payment of membership fees, and processing of applications. We take you through the process of building the application step by step whilst exposing you to all the key Shesha concepts. Once completed, you will be ready to build your own Shesha-based applications. For more advanced topics and more information, please consult the reference documentation on the Shesha website. And some prerequisites before you get started. In order for you to successfully complete this tutorial, you will need a basic understanding of ASP.NET Core and React, and also have the following tools installed, which is 1. Visual Studio Code for your front end, 2. Visual Studio for your back end, and 3. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio for your database, and also have version 12.22.3 of Node installed, which is all linked in the description box down below, so you don't have to worry about going around to go find links. So let's get on and get started by heading over to our Get Shesha website and download our template. Great. Once we get to our Get Shesha website, which is also linked in the description box down below, we can then go ahead and enter our company name, which is Box Fusion. And because this is a membership management application, I'm just going to give it a project name of membership. So you can go ahead and type that out and smash the download button to download our starter template. And there you have it.